off for being screechy. The screechiest girl in town.
She's literally right in my ear like, hello everyone!
It's nothing like that. Have you ever heard Mama Grimes speak in that manner? No.
Yes.
Have you heard Misha Grimes speaking in that manner?
No.
Yes. Comment below.
Comment below what the video is about, Mum. Excuse me, slow down.
Comment below who is the largest, the biggest screecher. Loudest screecher. Please do.
Okay, so today's video is going to be a beauty tips and tricks with Mama Grimes. Slash I'm kind of part of this as it is my channel, but you know, I know I'm irrelevant, it's fine. Everyone has been asking, you need to sit more straight up. Whenever we film, Mum's like down here and I'm up there and I'm like,
Mum, back, I'm old.
I need to literally sit like this far back just so we're at the same height. Also, do I look like a 7-year-old in my little dungarees? I love it anyway.
Aww.
So, yes.
And are we matching again?
Your shoulder needs to be like the height of me. I need to be the hind shoulder.
I think I need to wear like a bodysuit to keep me upright.
Oh yeah, like one of those, like a corset or
how
something.
stiff do I look?
Okay, now your shoulder's like digging into me like that. But anyway,
shoulder to shoulder. Soldiers.
Shoulder. Come again?
Shoulder to shoulder.
Okay, so yes, you guys have really requested this video. You really wanted to know all of Mum's tips and tricks because if you didn't know, this little hottie is 56 years old and she looks damn fine. Oh my gosh, okay, wait. In the comments, let me know how old you actually think Mum looks. Like, how old do you guess she is? Don't be kind, be brutal, be honest.
Be brutal, And just remember that we have help of beauty lights, so, you know.
We do have a ring light on right now, which does help.
Add an extra 5 years, trust me, when you meet me, you'll think that.
No, you won't. Mum's always like, oh, people are going to see me, I think I'm all wrinkled. I'm like, no, they won't, Mum. You're fabulous. Anyway, yes, we are going to get a wiggle on. First tip, I'm on the side of the props, so I'll be the prop giver. Ooh, this is kind of sticky, I won't lie.
Yeah, I wonder why. Okay, girls, so this is my ultimate beauty secret.
Have you said what it is yet?
Yes, I'm holding it.
No, but they may not be able to see that detail. You see?
So here we have a bottle of coconut oil.
Well, that's an interesting bottle.
Tin, whatever
I think that's a jar. I think
Okay, let's technical term. Okay, so this little beauty was purchased in Lidl. So, do not buy the ones that are for your body. Buy the cooking version, and the reason why is because it's pure.
Also, the ones for your body, I swear they add about £10 to the fee.
Okay, but yes, they do. So this little beauty was something like £3.95.
I love how you're literally holding it like this little
like a little
beauty.
baby.
We are at an infomercial, commercial situation,
I wish. Anyway, you're wondering why on earth has Mama Grimes got a jar of coconut oil in her hands when this session is about beauty, not cooking. So, first of all...
It's a cook with Kasha.
It's a cook with Kasha Mama Grimes. So, first of all...
You're Kasha Mama Grimes now, aren't you? She's so fancy, she gets a double barrel name.
Okay, so first of all, I mix this with a moisturiser and put it all over my body. And Misha, please do a test now.
Her skin is literally as smooth as a baby's butt.
It is.
Everyone that meets her, they're like, oh, you're so soft.
Oh, thank you. So, the cheapest and the quickest way to apply...
This is literally like £3.
Literally. But the only thing is solidifies. I think that's the posh word.
Solidifies or solidifies?
I'm Polish, forgive me.
No, so it's not solidify where it goes solid or liquid.
Yes.
No, does it not? It solidifies not when it goes liquid.
Okay, could you let us in comments down below which way it is?
I'm not sure.
Anyway, so keep this in a room temperature, but if it's winter, stick it on the radiator and it will always be ready.
I swear, she normally goes downstairs, the smell of this does make me think of food, with a little glass pot, she spoons some in, she puts it in the microwave.
If I've forgotten to leave it on the radiator.
And then she moisturises herself.
And not only, this will make your body smooth and beautiful, but also use it as a conditioner, leave it overnight, or alternatively just put it on the ends instead of buying expensive
leave-in shine oils.
Absolutely. Use it on your lips, gargle with it. This is the best bacterial mouthwash on this planet. Honestly, if in doubt, also on your face, under eyes. This is absolutely
We've had enough of coconut oil now, Mum. Shush.
Love it. Papa Grimes, if I'm ever going to leave you, I'm going to run off with a bottle of coconut oil.
A jar. So the next goodies that we have are from Scentbird. Here is yours, Mother.
Thank you.
So you may be thinking, what are these little pouches? Well, these actually have cheeky little perfumes in them.
Oh.
So
Oh, that one matches with Misha's outfit.
Well, not really.
How about that? Oh, okay, you can see it.
Oh.
How handy and little they are.
So these are for when you're on the move, when you're on the go, to stick in your handbag, stick in your suitcase. They'll be under the milliliter when you're in the travelling, on a plane. I know, I kind of want that nail colour. But yeah, these are basically mini perfumes, and the scents I got, I'm just going to check my notes because I knew I'd forget them. We have, I don't know which one's which, so I'm going to have to sniff them out. I am pretty sure this one is Prada Candy. Then, that's definitely Tom Ford Black Orchid.
Ah, menly.
Yeah, it's quite like a musky.
It's
and
nice.
And then this one must be Gucci Guilty. These then allow you to try out the perfumes, not have to buy a really expensive, because perfume is so damn expensive. It's like 60, 70, 80 quid for a whole bottle. And then what if you don't like the scent?
Absolutely.
What if it makes you feel a bit sicky? You never know. So the Scentbird little perfume bottles allow you to try out your favourite scents, and then you can go out and buy the full size.
And you can top up. So if you get smelly armpits,
oh yeah, that's
you know,
true. That's true. So I think
and no
one
one
needs it right now. So yes, thanks.
Just thought I would take you guys exactly through how the Scentbird site works. So as you can see, I'm just on the website, and you just click along and you can genuinely just pick which perfume minis you want to try each month. It is that easy. You can switch them around. You can say, oh no, I want this one in June. No, I want it in July. So as you can see, you can pick from like floral, fruity, woody, citrusy, and it's only $14.95 a month. But I do have a discount code for you all, which is 30% off if you use the code MishaG30. So make sure to use that if you're going to purchase these bad boys. And I mean, I just absolutely love them.
Scentbird have actually sponsored this video, so thank you so much. And they just knew that we all wanted to hear Mama Grimes' beauty secrets. So I will link everything down below, including Scentbird. And yes, let's wiggle on with the next item / tip. Next up, we have...
Okay, girls, so never go out without an SPF factor, in my case 50.
Mum literally makes it on every single day.
Over your face, and underneath vitamin C serum. Anyone.
Serum?
Okay, serious. Serum.
Serum. Sorry, it's her foreigner within her. It like grinds me. I'm like, you can't say the word right.
So this protects you against all the wind, all the sun, UVB rays, and it's an amazing...
Free particles, free radicals.
Free radicals even. And this is an amazing antioxidant. And never leave home without these two, please.
Also, wear sunscreen even when it's windy, because that's when it can be the worst.
Absolutely.
So... everyone always goes on, and in their little vegan white-in-a-days, they always have lemon and hot water in the morning. And to be fair, I know why. It's so A, tasty, and B, really, really good for digestion. And it's alkaline.
Yep.
But Mum likes to take it a step too far. I hate this, but she still does it.
Look at this Himalayan salt.
Pink Himalayan.
Well, of course, it needs to match, doesn't it? Now, this is an absolute magic medicine. It honestly is. It
tastes like poo.
No, it doesn't. It helps you hydrate. What I do, I sneak behind and I tip some of this, literally quarter of a spoonful into Misha's cup. And the reason why is because it helps with hydration. And just look at her skin. Skin is the largest organ, so we need to look after it.
Now, something that Mum has always taught me since a young age, and I'm pretty sure in one of the videos she said before, exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. One of her weird sayings.
So you're probably wondering, what is this object? So this is a very, very old and well-used Primark exfoliating mitt.
Yeah.
So go gentle, because you've got young skin, not like Mama Grimes who can literally rub it like mad.
Think of your makeup.
And that way you're going to remove all the dead skin, and the new beautiful skin will appear. Just look at her.
I don't know why you're using me as this. Look at you. Also, this is my favourite for getting rid of, like, exfoliating your body and getting rid of fake tan. This is a brand new one. I haven't actually opened it yet. It's the Loving Tan removing and skin polishing glove. And to be fair, it does remove my tan. I literally scrubbed it off this morning. Am I patchy or am I good?
No, you're good. Also, girls, you don't need to go out and buy expensive exfoliator creams.
Mum was just like this. Also, girls, exfoliate.
You can use sugar, mixed with honey. You can use bicarbonate soda. I can't pronounce it. I've got it written down here. Baking soda. That was quite easy.
Bicarbonate is the word you were looking
It's
for.
actually baking soda. So you're probably wondering why Misha and Kasia have these beauties in their hands.
Taking a nap.
This is a pillow cover, and it's made of silk. So
I was actually the first one to bring this into the family.
You certainly
because
were.
back in like December, I got gifted a silk pillow cover, and Mum was like, "I want it."
Let me explain why. Okay, so the older ladies will understand this. If you sleep on your side, can you see what's happening? You're doing this to your skin, and every morning I was waking up. Literally, I had train tracks in my eyebrow.
I have it
under
every
my
morning.
eye. It looks awful.
I like squish my face in the night. I can't help it.
Two things you can do: sleep on your back, which is really, really tough.
No.
I start like that, and I wake up in the middle of the night, and I'm literally like this on Papa Grimes. So what we've done, we've invested. Actually, they're really good value. You can get them for as little as 10, 15, 20 pounds. Silk cushion cover, because it doesn't crease your skin anywhere near as much.
I don't
as
care about the
cotton
creasing.
or Egyptian cotton.
It's
whatever
soft
you name
as
it.
anything.
It's soft as baby's bottom. So, girls, honestly, if you want to save those wrinkles, sleep on your back on a silky cushion.
Now, people do always ask how I get my teeth so pearly white, and like I'm that person that always thinks they look yellow. Whoopsies.
Unless, of course, she's got lipstick all over them.
Which I normally do.
Yeah.
Whoopsies. But anyway, the reason I think my teeth are always so pearly and white is because of charcoal toothpaste. Now this one is Mr. Blank Teeth.
We got that in Boots or Superdrug.
Superdrug, maybe?
Superdrug, I think, yeah.
I think it's like £6 or maybe £4
Yeah.
or £8. I'm not quite sure.
So it's a little bit more expensive, but hasn't got any toxins.
And it's a charcoal toothpaste, so it's actually like natural ingredients. So you know, like when you're having toothpaste, or a bit like this tastes a bit chemically.
Yeah.
This is black, so don't be frightened.
Yeah, and if you have a fire at home, please don't go and pick up some charcoal and use that.
Yeah.
This is a safer way of doing it.
Yeah, most definitely. It is mint flavoured, so don't worry. It doesn't taste like your fireplace.
No.
But I just think this keeps your teeth so white, and I would honestly highly recommend a charcoal toothpaste.
Whilst we're on the subject of teeth, the question that Misha and I get asked is, have you got veneers?
I literally, on like most photos, get, are your teeth fake? I'm like, no, I promise, they are my own. I grew them myself.
Yeah. Now, mine are real as well, but I have a little bit of improvement.
Well, yours are like half real.
Okay, so what I have is composite bonding, and what we're going to do is going to show you a picture now. Reason why I didn't have veneers is, one, it costs a fortune, and two, they file your teeth down quite a lot, and I wasn't comfortable with that.
So composite bonding is basically where they put like a plastic, almost like a film over your teeth. It's like another layer of teeth, but it's not like veneers.
They actually use the same as they use the white filler.
Oh,
yeah?
okay.
So it's a similar substance.
It's
So
like another layer.
Most dentists can do this, but you need to ask the question.
It's just so much cheaper than veneers.
Yeah.
I swear veneers are like a grand a tooth.
Well,
obviously it is a permanent thing.
Yeah.
So don't go into it half willing.
Yeah.
Like, check with your dentist, get multiple opinions.
Also, they will last up to 6 to 8 years, so there will be an additional cost. Mine have been perfect, haven't chipped. I honestly could not be more pleased with them, so...
Dun, 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 dun. I've used this before in a video and people have been like, you're gonna cut your face, but who even found these originally? Was it your eyebrow lady?
Yeah, it was my eyebrow lady. Oh, this little pink monstrosity of magic serves multiple purposes, but as far as Misha is concerned, we shave her moustache with it.
I was actually doing it this morning.
Now, we know that...
Guilty, I have a hairy moustache. We all do it, girls. Don't worry, you're not alone.
And I know that it means that it stimulates the growth, but, you know, who wants to go to a beautician every week to have it waxed? I mean, I'd rather give birth than wax my upper lip. Thank you.
You don't have any moustache hair, really.
But not only that, you can also give your...
Please don't start doing that without looking in a mirror. I'm scared you're going to hurt yourself.
Give yourself a quick scrape if you haven't got time to pull them up, and also you can use it on your skin, so you know if it's dry and flaky.
No, it's like the little bits of baby hair that are like like, you know, you have a fuzzy face, that's what these are good for. But yeah, be careful with them because they're kind of like mini blades. I don't know if you guys can quite see, but whenever I've used these before, people have been like, oh my gosh, link them, it looks so clever. It's like a facial shaver. I think that's a technical term.
Absolutely.
I'm just gonna leave this one to Mum to explain because these aren't my beauties.
No, okay.
These are hers. These aren't chicken fillets.
They don't go in there. They go there. Anyway, so I suffer with a flat bum disease, openly. So these beauties,
I inherited it as well.
As you can see, these make a huge difference. So, girls, honestly, you can shove them in your jeans, or you can wear them in these really attractive little panties
They have little like pockets.
They've got little
for them.
pockets, and you just shove it in. I become butterlicious. Honestly,
She's J-Lo.
you can see from the picture, I've got a flat bum disease. This makes me feel so much more confident. They were reasonably priced. You never need to buy them again. And you know, you can double up if you want to. Multi-use, absolutely.
Maybe I'll have one breast. Oh, it just kind of looks like I've got a saggy. I don't even know what's saggy, but yeah.
Girls, if you want to shimmer your booty, invest. Shimmy your booty, invest in these.
Or you may just have a really nice natural bum, who knows?
Yeah, and we are jealous. Good on you, girl.
I don't have boobs or a bum, so pity me, guys, pity me. One thing that I am always guilty of is leaving on my makeup for too long. Like, I will film and then I won't take it off until the evening because I can't be bothered. And then by the time it's the evening, I'm like, oh my gosh, the effort. So I should really do it straight away. But you're really good. You always take it off straight away.
Literally, if I go out summer, I come back, that's the first thing I do. Why have the load of toxins on your skin if you don't need to? Exfoliate, cleanse, and be natural.
So that is kind of like our beauty tips, but I think Mum has a final word of wisdom.
Truly are what you eat. So if you look after your insides, your outsides will be beautiful without a doubt.
It's like when they say a plant can't grow without being watered or something. What's the saying? I'm not even sure.
Comment down below if you know. So really, your 5 a day, I think they've now said 8 a day in fact, is absolutely essential. Lots of water, lots of fresh fruit and vegetables.
Just make sure you have a balanced, healthy diet. We all go out and we all stuff our faces sometimes, and that is a-okay.
Absolutely.
Because balance. Balance is having 2 pizzas, one in each hand.
I very much believe in, you know, being 30% naughty and 70% good. So 70% of the time, eat your fruit and veg and protein, and the rest of the time, be naughty, eat anything that you fancy. Surround yourself by people that you love, that make you happy. This, excuse me, I wasn't talking. One last tip, I promise. So, why am I holding this in my hand? So, stick that on the back of your head, do a little ponytail, and just wash that
She literally sections off just the greasy bit. I haven't actually done it yet. I still need to. Okay, so that is absolutely every single one of our beauty tips. Mostly Mum's, because obviously she's been on this planet a little bit longer, so has picked
Rub it in.
She's picked up a few more tips and tricks along the way, but I hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been a highly requested one, and yeah. Any final moments? Any more tips you want to share?
Keep on smiling, keep on laughing. But not like her.
Okay, so we are going to wrap this up. Make sure to give Mum a follow on Instagram. She is Kasha_Grimes. I'm Misha_Grimes. If you want to follow me as well. Make sure to also give this video a like.
You'll see this gorgeous outfit styled.
Oh yeah.
What do we think?
Let me know. Let me know. Yes. So give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. What should they do when they subscribe?
Put on the bell. That's the one. Also, could you please tell me your most favourite beauty secret that we shared?
Oh, and also let us know what your beauty secrets are, because maybe we haven't got all of them.
Absolutely.
You never know. There could be more.
Yeah, and sharing is caring.
Yeah, very
Isn't
true.
it?
Okay, so we love you guys lots, and toodle pip. Bye.
Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.